For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Today human connection and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new web-based entertainment blast. A great many people have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. However, virtual buy land through virtual monetary standards is a totally original idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost forecast. In view of the Ethereum blockchain with an undeniable record of possession, the Decentraland foundation of the game has been made to join an all-new command over the virtual place that is known for clients who can now buy, assemble and adapt augmented reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland clients are better engaged to assume responsibility for the climate and applications they make inside their property. The Authority virtual entertainment record of the stage generally keeps its perspectives refreshed with impending occasions. A thorough information of the arrangement made is recorded on the blockchain, and thus the data on this computer-generated experience stage is completely safe. Decentraland, MANA, a virtual marvel. Every one of the resources and land bundles displayed in the game can be bought with the local token, called mana, be it streets or courts. Since the land ownership is a NFT recorded on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum utilizing the ERC-721 principles, adaptability and security arise as conspicuous metaverse game elements. It's still early days for virtual universes despite the fact that the Decentraland project is explicitly conceptualized to draw in players who have matured out of the kids' games, for the teens and youthful grown-ups who look for more profound human associations dependent more on mingling and executing than on expedition. In January 2022, Decentraland made a stride further to point mass reception facilitating a total virtual inclusion of the Australian Open tennis competition beginning from January 17, melding metaverse and reality, giving the experience of live transmissions, day-to-day popes and some more. Let's plunge further into Decentraland mana value expectation and specialized examination. Decentraland, laying the foundation. As the quickest developing virtual world, Decentraland was created by an Argentinian gathering in 2016 by Esteban Ordano and Ariel Mielich with Chief Executive Officer James Ashton. Decentraland has brought $25.5 million up in subsidizing from 6 high-profile clients. It incorporates Animoca Brands, Boost VC, Fabric Ventures, Genesis One Capital, Fundamental Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland's designers have taken an extremely insightful and light gave way to deal with building the game's primary layers. New ventures and organizations in the cryptographic money market are as of now in progress to make this computerized world a refined and drawing-in substitute reality, which will probably become pervasive and habit-forming. Decentraland price predictions, market sentiment. Going by the specialized examination, Decentraland cost has had a noteworthy journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the main role for its notoriety as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital currency remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $1,231,753 with a circling mana supply of $1,832,129,198 mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by -6.09%. The experts' mana cost examination and Decentraland mana value expectation should be visible as underneath. Market specialists have 2022 value forecast of $5.30. This mana conjecture addresses a move of 86% this year. Similarly, while the opinion encompassing the mana crypto has been profoundly negative before, the wallet investor expresses that mana is supposed to offer 450% ROI by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. The mana cost is waged to reach $3.39023 by the start of February 2022 according to our cost expectation. As per Decentraland cost expectation 2022, The normal greatest exchanging cost is $3.43703. The base exchanging cost of Mana tokens is $2.33718 in 1 year. The Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the finish of 2022 is $3.45688. As per our Mana crypto forecast, the coin could triple in the following 5 years. It ought to have a reasonable bull gone around $8 to $9, making it a drawn-out wise speculation. The typical cost is supposed to stretch around $6 by the following year. In view of our Mana cost estimate, the token kept on enlisting a colossal bull run and remain exceptionally unpredictable. The greatest cost for 2022 is supposed to be around $5.58. In the event that this bull run proceeds with the Decentraland cost can reach $16.63 in 2025. Decentraland price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital currency market, Decentraland, MANA, token is good to go to support areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive Mana estimate and future market capitalization, the street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all boundaries scaling above $4.80 in the market of the crypto according to our impartial crypto figure for the year 2022 Decentraland Mana cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and estimate, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire critical benefit from here on out. Decentraland figure by specialists recommends, contributing at the ongoing value level might give impressive revisitations of dealers in the closed to term and they would have the option to pursue a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As indicated by the price expectation for Mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.10 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.80 by the December. Market experts gauge the Mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of composing. Decentraland price prediction 2023. Decentraland, MANA, has laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. In light of our Decentraland cost estimates, these highlights can help the Mana token increase a lot more exorbitant cost of $6.70 in 2023. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023.